How to play YouTube in background on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Safari application on your device first, since this cannot be done through the YouTube application itself. Once you have opened Safari in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Play the video that you want to play in background. After playing the video, tap on the full screen icon and switch to full screen mode. Now click on the home button or swipe up to go to the home screen. Scroll down from the left side of your screen and you will be led to the notification center. There you can see the song is in the background. Tap on the play button and with this, YouTube will be played in the background in your iPhone. You can also open the apps of your choice while YouTube is still being played in your background. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.